Hi guys. Oh my god. Guys. Kabadrik. Wala pa kaming tea. Guys, sumbok ko napunit. Guys, napunit. Look. Look guys, napunit. Wala. So, by the way, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon, nag-review po ako for tomorrow's exam. Paano ba naman kasi ito? Napunit pa! Hirap na nga mag-review, napunit pa. So, gusto nyo makaintindi ng follow school rules? Kung nag-aaral ka sa Javier, like, comment, and subscribe. Ito guys, papasashare ko sa inyo. School rules are guide for action made by the school principal or director. The school discipline officer consults teacher or even fellow students who copied position in the student council. The rules are classified as human laws. School rules are also reflect the laws of God. Work ethic. Come to school on time. Work ethic 2. Have necessary tools for learning. So guys, hindi ko na po itutuloy. Madami po kasi yan. So review muna ako guys ha. Review muna ako. So guys, tapos na ako mag-review. Pagod na ako. By the way, yung last exam na namin to. March 11, I think. March 11. Pero, guys, don't mind the background. Sira na talaga yan. Okay guys. So, see you in my next vlog. Like I said, follow, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys!